Hey guys, Amy here with HollywoodRage, and today I had a revelation of how I think I can make free returns work for me on eBay. So stay tuned and I'm going to let you know what it is. Okay guys, so a few weeks ago I did a video about how I had turned on free shipping and what happened when we did free shipping. But basically, if you want to watch that video to get a breakdown of everything that happened, I'm going to link it below in the description. So you can check that out. But basically, it did not work for us. And this morning I was driving to an appointment and I was thinking about my business and going over everything. And I started thinking about free returns. And I was watching a video yesterday, and I don't remember who it was. It could have been Wade Venture or Daily Refinement or one of them guys. I can't remember. I think it was Wade Ventures though. But anyway, he has said in there that one of the higher ups at eBay has said you will see a 40% decrease in sales if you don't do free returns. And so when eBay first started encouraging all of us to do free returns, I was totally like against it, and I was just standing my ground, and I was like, I am not doing this. Like, I just turned on free shipping and here they are doing this now, and I'm just not going to do it. So I was totally against it and I didn't do it for a while, but then I decided, okay, I'm going to give it a try and just see, because people were saying, you should just give it a try because you can turn it off if it's not working for you. So that's what I did. I gave it a try, didn't work, turned it off. Okay, so I was riding in my car this morning thinking about everything. And I think I have a revelation of how I can make it work. So I was thinking, I had just, before I started doing free returns, I had just turned on free shipping. And then I ended up turning on free returns as well. So when I started getting more returns, which I don't have a problem with people returning things, that is just part of business, right? But when you're offering free shipping, so you're already in the hole to ship the item to the buyer, and then they're shipping it back to you and you're paying for that, and your margins aren't like super big already. Like, that is kind of, it's hard to do that. So I got to thinking this morning, and I was like, okay, my sales have gone down tremendously since I turned off free shipping. Like, I may have a package or two every few days, maybe even a week. I mean, my sales are like totally down. Now on Poshmark, that has become my main platform of selling. I have multiple packages that I ship out every day on Poshmark, but eBay has just came to almost a total halt in sales. So I was like, okay, I really want to try to, see what I can do to make it better. I actually had thought about just letting eBay go and just focusing more on Poshmark, but I've been selling on eBay for 19 years. eBay is, it's where I started. It's how everything came about for me. So I really hate to just give it up. It would be like I'm throwing the towel in, and I just don't want to do that. So what I have decided to do is I'm going to start back charging for shipping, not a whole lot, but I'm going to charge a shipping cost. And that way, if a buyer wants to return an item, I'm not out of shipping twice. I would just be out of shipping once. So it will kind of be like it was before, when I was just doing free shipping, right? Because if they send the item back, I'm only out of shipping costs once. And I may like tack on $1 or so to each item, just to cover some of the cost involved with it. But I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to, from here on out, I'm going to charge shipping costs and turn on free returns, especially with the holidays coming up. You really, fourth quarter is right here up on us, and we want to get sales. And so that's what I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it works for me. I've turned free shipping on today. So I'm gonna give it a try for a few weeks, and then I'll come back and do a video. But the way I look at it is, a buyer looks at items when they're searching for something. They look at it in two ways. Okay. Now, me, when I'm buying on eBay, because I'm a seasoned seller, I know how it works. I look for the total price of the item, okay? I don't think in my head, oh, this is $20, I'm getting free shipping. Like, I search and I filter by the lowest price available to include shipping. But, all buyers don't do that. And some buyers, the way that their minds work, if they see $20 with $2.99 shipping, versus $22.99 with free shipping, to them, for some buyers, they think $20 for the item and $2.99 shipping is a better deal. Like, just because they see that $20, that registers in their mind lower price, even though in the end they're paying the same price if they get the one that's $22.99 with free shipping, right? Now, some people can see through all of it, and they know the deal, but some buyers don't understand, how all that works. So they just see $22.99. Oh, heck no, I can get it for $20 with this seller. So I'm going to go with the $20 seller. So, it just kind of all depends on your buyer and how they look at things. And I would say, when I was offering an item with shipping cost versus doing the free shipping, I really did not see any difference in my sales as far as I know. So I don't think me turning on a shipping cost on all my items is going to affect my business really. We will see, but I am going to give this a try. And I'm going to let you guys know how it goes, because I want to help you guys find out the best method that works for you. Because I do know that many sellers have had, like, really, some big issues with all this. Some sellers have wanted to leave eBay, and some sellers are saying they're not willing to even try it. Some sellers, are like trying it, but they're really ticked off about it because they're tired of paying all this return shipping costs. So I'm trying to figure out a way to make it work for me. And if you sell pre-owned clothing or brand new boutique items like I do, if it can work for me, if this method works for me, you could probably implement it in your business to make it work for you also. All right, guys, so I'm going to give it a try. I'll be doing an updated video to let you know how it goes. Okay, guys? So if you're doing free shipping, if you're doing free returns, I really, really wish you would let me know how it's going for you. I want to see what other sellers are doing and what how it's going for them, because we've had a lot of changes with eBay, that we've had to adjust to. So I think it's great if we can all work together and come up with solutions to make everything work for all of us. So drop me a comment below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I really wish you would. I'm always trying, to do new videos to give you tips and tricks. I like to share my knowledge of things that I've learned over the 19 years of selling to try to help you. I'm very active on Facebook groups on selling. I like to try to help people that are confused with some of the processes and don't know how to do certain things on Poshmark or on eBay. So yeah, I just like to help you guys. So if you will, please subscribe. Please hit the like button on your way out. I would really appreciate it, guys. I'll be back with an updated video to let you know how it went. Okay? Thank you guys for tuning in. Bye-bye.